Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new section Building on Stellar, an introduction to the Stellar stack. In the previous videos, we focused on blockchain fundamentals and Stellar's consensus protocol. Here we are shifting from how Stellar works to how we actually build applications on it. This section is extremely important because it introduces the full architecture of the Stellar ecosystem. In other words, we are going to understand what tools, services, APIs, and infrastructure come together to allow developers to build real world applications on Stellar. Think of these as opening the hood of the Stellar engine. By the end of this session, you will understand the Stellar development stack, know how different components connect, and clearly see how wallets, APIs, smart contracts, and the network interact. Once this mental model is clear, everything else we build will make much more sense. Let's begin. Let's quickly look at what we're going to cover. We're going to explore Stellar Networks, Stellar Core, Horizon API, RPC, SDKs, Lumens, also known as XLM, transaction fees and base reserves, and testnet and futurenet. Now, instead of seeing these as separate topics, I want you to think of them as layers in one big system. Every real Stellar application relies on all these layers working together. So, our goal is to build a complete mental map of the Stellar development environment. By the end of this section, you should understand where everything fits and why it exists. This will give you better design intuition, faster debugging ability, and stronger architectural understanding. Let's start with a high level introduction to Stellar itself.